The Polestar 2's infotainment system, powered by Google's Android Automotive OS, can sometimes encounter issues like app crashes or freezes. There are two main ways to reset the system: a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a soft restart that clears temporary memory without deleting any of your data. It's ideal for quick fixes and can be performed by simply holding the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, wipes all user data, including apps, settings, and accounts, restoring the system to its original state. This should only be done as a last resort. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options. Remember to back up any important data before performing a factory reset. Polestar recommends always trying a reboot first before resorting to a factory reset. As of version 3.5, July 2025, most issues are resolved with a simple reboot.